naglalaro ka ba?
Tapos kung nakasila yun pa tayo.
Start na? Alam mo ba yun, Bernel?
Summer pa eh, kalma lang.
By bringing in a range of hybrid and electric vehicles to the Freeport, this inaugural event will definitely be a game changer.